Hello and welcome in this video for this integral to evaluate. This is integral from 1 to 2 of 1 over square root of x minus 1 dx. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So the lower boundary is 1. So in the vicinity of 1, between 1 and 2, this is 1 over 0 plus. So this is the infinity. This is a definition of an improper integral. So to solve this, the first step, this is to transform this integral into a limit of an integral. You are going to replace this parameter 1 by a, for example, and this is the limit when a goes to 1. So this is the limit of this integral from a to 2 of 1 over square root of x minus 1 dx. So this is an integral to calculate. So one day or one another, you're going to find an antiderivative, and this is much easier if you've got a power function instead of a square root. So a square root, this is power 1/2, and because this is a denominator, you can transform that into the limit as 1 goes to 1 of integral from a to 2 of x minus 1 to the negative 1 over 2 dx. Then we would like to calculate this antiderivative of this function. So we can set u of x equals x minus 1. If you derivate, you get u prime of x equals 1. So there is a formula. Every time you've got u prime of x times u to the n of x, the antiderivative is u to the n plus 1 of x over n plus 1 plus capital C, and C, this is a constant number. So if you apply this formula, now you got the limit as a goes to 1 of 2, this is 1 over 1/2. This is 2, and this is x minus 1 to the 1 over 2, and this is between a and 2. Then this is 2 times, so now you plug the upper limit, 2 minus 1 to the 1/2 minus limit as a goes to 1, 2 times, and now this is the lower boundary, and this is a minus 1, and this is to the 1 over 2. As a goes to 1, this quantity tends to 0. 0 power 1/2, this is 0, and 2 times 0, this is 0. So this quantity, okay, tends to 0. So this quantity now, 2 minus 1, this is 1, 1 power 1/2, this is 1, and 2 times 1, this is 2. Integral from 1 to 2 of 1 over square root of x minus 1 dx, this is 2. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.